my friends. Today we're going to discuss the do while loop in C. So let's get started. Let me open up this editor, and as you can see, I have this file created ex29th_do-while-loop.c. So the do while loop executes the loop statements before evaluating the expressions to determine if the loop should be repeated. So it takes the form like this. So let me give you a little representation of do while loop. So statements, you have multiple statements like that, and the while should put in here while the expression is true or false. So this is how it looks like. So do this first and then test it here. The expression evaluates to either true or false, and statements can be a single statement. It can be a single or multiple statements, or a code block enclosed by curly braces. So I have here an example. Let me uncomment this out, and let me comment this expressions. So this is, I have here the variable. I have assigned 1 to the count, and then run it first. So do print this first, increment, and then while this expression is true, go back again to the top, run this again, increment, and while it's still true, it checks the expression again, and then it will loop back to the top. So let's go ahead and run this by right-clicking this and compile and run, and you should see 1 to 7. Since 8 is not less than 8 anymore, so 1 to 7. So the program runs perfectly fine. And note that the semicolon after the while statement in here, the do while loop always executes at least once, even if the expression evaluates to false. So even if the expression here is false, this will be run first. This will run once, even if this expression is false. So that's the while loop. So make sure on this while statement in here, you should put the semicolon at the end. So that's it. And before we wrap up, let's test your knowledge. I have a little exercise for you on this tab. So I want you to answer this. How many numbers will the following code output? So try to run this and let me know how many numbers. So if you know the answer after running the program, please put it in the comment section below. Thank you.